Sure, is 13 the right age for serious players? Okay. I don't think meron namang right age para seryosohin mo yung playing, no? But ako, nag-start ako 6 years old. Seryoso naman ako sa ginagawa ko eh. Maybe you're trying to say kung kailan yung tamang age for it to translate into a career, yun ba yun? Pero, uh, there will come a time, no? Dadating yan kung kailan makakapag-decide ka. At 13, marami ka pang pwedeng ibang gawin eh. So, we can't really say, no? Kasi yung iba meron 13 years old, sobrang galing na. Like, mas magaling pa sa ibang mga professionals, 'di ba? May mga ganong cases kasi. Pero, you don't have to be super good to consider yourself a career musician, 'di ba? So, kanya-kanyang yan eh, pace. But if you really decided, no, any age, the earlier the better, syempre. We can't really put a price on time. Kasi kung mas maaga ka nagsimula, mas marami kang matututunan. Versus if you start older, na seryosohin yung isang bagay, you will not have the benefit of time, no? So, mas okay mag-fail ng maraming beses ng mas marami kang oras kaysa mag-fail ka parang if you are, if you lack time. Kasi syempre kung actually 13, I think medyo old na yun eh. Kasi nga ako sticks nag-start ako. I know people who started 5 years old, ganyan, nagtutuloy-tuloy, pero nakadepende pa rin yun sa inyo. Now, if you wanna take it seriously, if you're at 13 years old, wanna take it seriously, mag-enroll ka sa magandang music school or magandang program or maayos na teacher. Make sure that you can give it time and effort. Kasi ako talaga, never ko naranasan na ipasok lang yung violin kung kailan siya convenient. Kahit nung bata ako, talagang it was always in my daily routine. So, kung gusto mo maging magaling kang musician, kailangan maayos mo yung routine mo na kahit anong mangyari, hahawak ako ng instrument ko sa araw na to. So, doon nagsisimula yung serious work kasi it's not just about a hobby na lang, no? Doon na pumapasok yung discipline, yung grit, yung perseverance mo. And, at any age that would come in, no? Swerte lang din ako, my parents taught me how to do it, na parang okay, kailangan may time ka for this. Hindi pwedeng puro laro lang, hindi pwedeng pabanjing-banjing ka lang kasi gusto mo matutunan, mag-practice ka. Yun lang naman ang sikreto eh, 'di ba? Wala namang ibang paraan to put it seriously, no? To make it more serious. Kasi if you want to play good, you have to work on it. Walang ibang shortcut, walang tricks, no? Walang magic sa pagpapaganda ng sound. Kailangan mo talagang bigyan ng oras yan. So, if you're 13 years old right now, you want to make it a career in the future, go ahead, no? Practice diligently. Make sure na may proper guidance ka. Kasi you won't make it if magsi-self-study ka tapos akala mo sineseryoso mo na yung ginagawa mo. Walang nag-succeed na musician na siya lang mag-isa. Tandaan yan. Okay? So, good luck sa'yo.